to the ships! Back to the ships!
What's his cousin?
To Troy! Back to the city! Back to the Troy!
We were going to sail home today. I don't think anyone's sailing home now.